How well do you understand tenant rights? Particularly, have you ever heard of the implied covenant of quiet enjoyment? This concept is critical in the world of real estate and is particularly important to landlords and tenants alike. In a nutshell, the implied covenant of quiet enjoyment is a fundamental tenant right that guarantees the peaceful use of their rented property. Picture this. You're living in a space that you've rented, and you have the freedom to enjoy that space without any significant disturbance from the landlord. This is the essence of the implied covenant of quiet enjoyment. Now, this isn't just a fancy term, it's a legal principle that's built into every lease agreement, whether it's a residential or commercial lease. It might surprise you to know that this covenant can't be sidelined or ignored, even if it's not explicitly stated in the lease agreement. It's there, silently protecting the tenant's right to enjoy their rented property. However, there's a bit of a twist. In some cases, especially with commercial leases, the landlord and tenant may agree to modify or even waive this right. But such instances are more the exception than the rule. What happens if this covenant is breached? Well, the tenant has the legal right to take action against the landlord, but it's not as simple as claiming a minor inconvenience or annoyance. The tenant will need to prove that the landlord's actions substantially interfered with their use and enjoyment of the property. Take this for instance. A landlord repeatedly invading the tenant's privacy could be considered a breach of the covenant. But remember, the operative word here is substantial. A minor inconvenience or sporadic disturbances don't count. Are you facing a situation where you feel your right to quiet enjoyment has been breached? You don't have to navigate these complex legal waters alone. Our team of professional real estate lawyers at Shore Law has the experience and the expertise to guide you. Think your case qualifies for a free 30-minute consultation? Don't let a breach of your rights go unaddressed. Reach out to Shore Law today.